Crypto can sometimes be overwhelming, and I know that some of the videos that I make can be quite complex, quite detailed, and involve a lot of jargon. So for someone who is a beginner, they probably don't have a clue what half the stuff I'm talking about refers to. So this video is for a beginner. This video is basically for someone completely new to crypto or relatively new to crypto who hasn't really done much stuff on chain or just wants to learn a little bit more. And I think one of the best ways to kind of learn in crypto is basically through trial and error and kind of just exploring. All you need to do, in my opinion, is really create a wallet, put maybe $10 or so onto that wallet, and you'll be able to explore loads of different applications, loads of different DeFi or NFT stuff, and just kind of learn as you go along. Now, I did actually find a website that I think is actually very beneficial for people new to crypto or wanting to learn about crypto, and it's called Layer 3. And essentially what this is an application or a website essentially where all you need to do is create a wallet. And in terms of wallets, I recommend Rabby wallet, but you can get any wallet that you want, like a MetaMask wallet. And a wallet is essentially just where a user will store their funds. And once you've got a wallet, all you need to do is connect it to this application or website, and they'll have loads of different quests for you to do, loads of different tasks and things like that for you to do. And in doing these quests and tasks, obviously you get experience and potentially even rewards in the near future that I haven't really explored too much of. But essentially what I'm asking or what I'm suggesting is basically to do some of these quests, and just by doing them, you'll learn a lot about things on chain, how to interact with things, DeFi, NFTs, security, crypto history, loads of different stuff really. And that's why I think Layer 3, this application, is really, really cool. You'll see that I've actually done some of them already, so you can see like some of these are completed, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And basically all you do is you kind of go through them, you read them, there's some quizzes. Sometimes they ask you to do stuff, and what they'll do is they'll verify your wallet to make sure that you've actually completed that specific task. And that's one of the great things about it, because you've connected your wallet. It can actually check to make sure, you've done a swap on Curve Finance, or you've provided liquidity on Uniswap, or you've bought this NFT from OpenSea. There's so many little things that you can do, and some of these quests are really fun, really interesting. You can learn a lot, and I think overall for someone who's new to crypto, this is probably one of the first places that I'd send them. I think they're adding kind of new, more and more of these quests over time as well, and there's so many of them already. So look, if you want to learn about NFTs, do some of these NFT masterclasses quests. If you want to learn about DeFi, do some of these quests over here. If you want to, be on a specific chain only, like Arbitrum, Optimism, Avalanche, Polygon, or Ethereum, pick one chain and kind of just go through some of the different stuff here. I think at the moment they don't have the biggest variety of quests, but it does look like they're adding new ones quite regularly. And I think it's just a nice, fun way to kind of gamify your learning. Who knows, maybe there will be some rewards for participating in some of these in the near future. I think just for the benefit of learning, this is something that I'd recommend to my friends, to my family, especially those who are new to crypto and want to learn. It's a fun way, easy way, and I would definitely do this. So just a quick video here for you beginners out here in crypto. I hope, at times my content is not really tailored for you guys, but I hope that I can potentially help and kind of bring you on the journey to try and learn, because ultimately that's what I'm here for. So hope you enjoy the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and of course I'll be back with plenty more content in the near future.